My name is Sandra Essex and welcome to my channel. If you have never visited my channel before, my channel is all about empowering people to live their dreams. We do reviews on companies, products, tools, money making, and self-improvement tips. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, let's get into today's video review. The resource that we are going to be sharing with you today is a company called Remote. Now, before I get into telling you about Remote, if you are interested in working from home remotely anywhere around the world, please stay tuned for this complete video because we're going to share with you some valuable information about a resource site out there where you can find jobs all over the world where you can work remotely. Now, the website that we're going to share with you today is called Remote. Now, Remote is basically an online employment agency where they hook up people who are looking for jobs and connect you with the company that are looking to hire people to work from them. Now, this resource here is called Remote. This employment resource is called Remote. Now, we're on their corporate website, and what I'm going to do, as I always do in my videos, I'm going to leave the links in the description below so you can come back and take a more in-depth look into this online employment agency called Remote. And first of all, I'd like to let you know that it is no fees for you, the person looking for the job. So this is a totally free resource where you can find unlimited leads for jobs that you may possibly qualify for. Now, on their corporate website, we are Remote, and they say they are a solving global remote organization biggest challenge. They help people solve their biggest challenge by employing anyone, anywhere in the world. Okay, so this right here is a resource that you can use to find jobs anywhere in the world. Now, their mission statement is simplifying remote work anywhere in the world. Our mission is to simplify how companies employ the best talent globally and help remote organizations do their best job. So this is again a good resource for you if you are in the job hunting, or if you are job hunting and you prefer to work remotely from your home. This right here is an excellent resource to take a look at. Now, Remote says that they employ talent anywhere, and everyone goes directly through Remote. Okay, you will be hired. You will sign up with Remote. You will find the job through Remote. Remote will contract you to the company who will be hiring you. And Remote will take care. They pay Remote, and Remote pays you. And Remote's foundation to their company is that they find the best talent in the world. So if you think that you have skills to offer, Remote might be a resource that you should sign up for to see if there are any jobs on this site that might be of interest to you. Now, if you were interested in applying for a job, you will come down here to the this section down here, and you will click this link right here, Remote Jobs. Once you click this link, it will take you to this page right here. Now, you have two things that you can do. I don't know what your field of expertise is, but whatever your field of expertise is, type it in here and hit Find Jobs, and it will take you to the pages that offer the job, if they have a job listed of what you had put in this search engine. Now, just supposing they have a lot of jobs here for software engineers, UX designers, and product managers. But they do have jobs like customer service and things of that. But basically, this is a tech website. So if you have any tech skills, a coder, web development, a web engineer, software engineer, this might be a perfect fit for you. Now, some of their featured jobs here is remote sales enrollment, global operations, full-time manager sales operations, software developer, software engineer, product sales manager, senior developer, senior stack manager, sales success specialist. So these are a lot of the jobs that they have offered. So let's just say if you were interested in this remote sales enrollment specialist, okay, it's a remote only job. You can work anywhere in the world with this job, and they're looking for remote sales reps. So this might be a sales position job. So you would come over here, you would look at the description. It's full time, you can work anywhere. And this particular job right here is commission only. So if you are interested in jobs that have commission only, this is what this type of job is. And they say that your average income is $800 a week. Okay, let's say that you were looking for a job that's basically where you're getting paid a paycheck every week. Let's take a look at the Global Operations Benefit Manager. Okay, they say it's a full-time job. You're going to be working for Global Operations. It's a remote job. They explain to you a little about what they're looking for, about your role in the company, the type of employee that they're looking for. It tells what your responsibilities will be in this role. They tell you what their ideal candidate for this role will be. Okay, and it just gives you all kinds of information. It tells you about the application process on this company. To be interviewed with Global Operations, you'll interview with the VP of Sales. You'll interview with both founders, and they'll call your reference. And then let's just say you were interested in putting an application for this position. You would apply here via email. Okay, let's say you were interested in the software developer. It tells you the same thing. It'll just give you where their headquarters. This is a United States-based company. You're going to be working with the company that has over 500 employees. It was founded in 1973. It's called Duff Capital Investors. It gives you a little overview of the company. The job is a software developer. It's full-time. So it'll tell you a little bit about whether it's partly remote, just give you a little brief cursory overview of the company. And then if you're interested in applying for the company, you'll click this website right here and go to their website. So each company tells you a little bit different about how you can get in contact with them to be able to place a application in with them. Here's a product sales manager. It's same thing. It's a full-time job. The home office is in Europe. Okay, it's a fully remote job. It has 11 to 50 employees. They tell you a little bit about the product and their goals. Again, it tells you your responsibilities for this position. It tells you what the requirements are that they're looking for. Now, they do hire worldwide, so this is a remote company, but the company is located in Europe. So this right here is you're getting paid 46 to 70 euros. Now, that is basically in the United States dollars, 52,000 to 79,000 yearly income. So if you were interested in this position on this site, you would just hit apply for this, and it'll take you over to their page, and you'll start their employee process to fill out their paperwork to see if you qualify for the position. Let's say if you were interested in the sales position specialist here, same thing. So you see each job has different rules and regulations for you to be to start putting in an application for their company. You see this right here evidently is somewhere in the United States because they want you to be in the Eastern Standard Time. It tells you what your task will be. It tells you what your requirements are. They want 3 to 4 years inbound sales experience. And here they tell you what they offer. You have a learning and development budget. You have several perks design. You have a health and healthy work-life balance, holiday budget, well-being allowance, working together, 16 weeks pays, paternal leave, and much more. So they do have a compensation package that they offer that you can find out about. And this position pays roughly $56,000 to $73,000. So as you see, there are some good paying jobs on this site, but there are a lot of jobs on this site. So you would have to see what your expertise is and get in here and search to see what jobs they offer. But it is basically, like I said, a resource for you to be able to find jobs that are hiring if you are in the job market and you're looking to work from home. And again, like the other companies, if you're interested in this position, you'll just hit this link right here. Okay, it'll take you over to the main location of the company that you'll be working for. You'll learn a little bit about the company that you're working for, and then you'll just follow the prompts to start the application process. Well, everybody, I hope you got some good information today, because it's all about sharing information. It is so many jobs out there that people really just don't know where to find these remote online jobs. So I hope that you have found some value with this review. If you did get some value with this review, please give me a thumbs up, a like, and click that bell icon to subscribe to my channel, because I release videos every day that keeps you informed on how to make money and how to be able to live your dreams through entrepreneurship, working from home, and making money online. If you have any questions, again, go ahead and leave them in the comment section below, because I do respond to all my comments and I get back with everyone. And if you would like to learn my #1 recommendation for making money online, also look below this video in the description, and I will leave you a link with that information. Well, with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, again, I hope that you found value with this review, value with this contact. I'm going to leave all the links on this job at the bottom of the video, so you can look at this site and study this site for your own self. Again, could you subscribe to my channel? Could you click that bell icon? And I'm looking forward to seeing you on our next review.